It's one of the most high-profile court cases of the year, and it's filled with shocking accusations, unexpected names, and a mystery that's keeping the world guessing. Diddy, the music mogul known for building an empire, now finds himself facing serious federal charges that could change the landscape of celebrity culture forever. But this trial isn't just about one man. It's about the web of celebrities, the allegations that are surfacing, and the theory no one's talking about. So, what's really going on in this trial? Who are the celebrities involved? And what do we need to know about the victims at the center of it all? Stick around, because this is the trial that could shake Hollywood and Diddy's empire to its core. 1. The trial begins. What's Diddy being accused of? Sean Diddy Combs, one of the most influential figures in the music and entertainment industries, is facing serious federal charges. The accusations against him include sex trafficking, forced labor, and assault. The core of the trial revolves around the testimony of a woman who claims to have been subjected to years of manipulation, coercion, and exploitation while under Diddy's influence. According to court documents, the woman alleges that Diddy used his power and status to control not only her career, but also her personal life in ways that blatantly violated her rights. Her harrowing account has captivated the media, revealing a pattern of abuse and intimidation that has been allegedly hidden behind the glitz and glamour of the entertainment industry. The charges are deeply serious, with the potential to affect not only Diddy's legacy, but also the broader music industry's culture of power and exploitation. This trial marks a significant moment in the larger conversation about abuse in the entertainment industry, a conversation that has grown louder in recent years, but has yet to fully address the underlying systemic issues. For Diddy, it's more than just a trial for personal misconduct. It's a test of his entire empire, which he built on dominance and control. 2. The celebrities named in the trial. What role do they play? This trial isn't just about Diddy. Several well-known celebrities have been named in the case, adding a layer of complexity and intrigue to the proceedings. Some have been accused of either enabling Diddy's alleged actions or being aware of what was happening behind closed doors. The names coming up in this trial could affect not only Diddy's future, but also the reputation of the entire entertainment industry. Cassie, a victim or accomplice. One of the most notable names mentioned is Cassie Ventura, Diddy's ex-girlfriend. While Cassie has long been considered a major part of Diddy's public life, her involvement in the trial has raised several questions. In the past, there were rumors and whispers about their toxic relationship, but the trial has brought these to the forefront. The court has heard statements suggesting that Cassie may have been aware of the manipulative dynamics that surrounded her relationship with Diddy. Some reports also suggest that she might have been subjected to similar control tactics. As the trial continues, speculation grows about whether Cassie will testify, or if she will remain silent about her time with Diddy, leaving the world to wonder about the full scope of their relationship. Mike Myers, the surprise connection. Next, we have Mike Myers, the iconic actor known for roles in Austin Powers and Shrek. While his name may seem out of place, he is connected to Diddy through their past business dealings and public interactions. In the context of the trial, Myers is said to have had personal interactions with Diddy during their work together. Could these interactions hint at a deeper, more complicit relationship? Or was Myers merely a witness to a larger, systemic culture? The court has not yet fully explored the extent of Myers' involvement, but his name on the list of witnesses has caused some raised eyebrows, especially considering the Hollywood connections and power structures in question. Kanye West, friend or foe? And then there's Kanye West, the often controversial rapper and fashion mogul. West has been connected to Diddy for years, from their public collaborations to their shared business ventures. Kanye's name came up when documents revealed that he had witnessed several interactions between Diddy and his employees, including the alleged victim. Although there's no direct accusation against West, many are questioning whether he was complicit, aware, or simply turned a blind eye to the darker side of Diddy's empire. Kanye's relationship with Diddy is complex, but as we've seen in recent years, Kanye, doesn't shy away from speaking his truth. In fact, his outspokenness could bring unwanted attention to the trial, especially as he could be called to testify about what he saw or knew. 3. The victims. Who are they, and what is their story? While the trial's celebrity connections are certainly grabbing headlines, it's the victims who are at the core of the case. The initial testimony from the alleged victim, who claimed she was trafficked and forced into servitude, has set the stage for a much larger conversation about power dynamics in Hollywood and the exploitation of vulnerable individuals within the industry. Reports suggest that this woman was trapped in a cycle of fear, constantly under Diddy's control, and unable to escape due to the threats and manipulations he allegedly employed. She claims that her relationship with Diddy was far more than just professional. It involved abusive control over nearly every aspect of her life, from where she lived to what she ate and whom she could associate with. In addition to this testimony, other former associates and employees have stepped forward, claiming they too were subjected to a culture of exploitation under Diddy's rule. The victims in this case aren't just nameless faces. They represent a larger pattern of abuse that many people have endured in silence for years. 4. The theory no one's talking about. The power play behind closed doors. Here's the theory no one is talking about, the one that could change everything. Some legal experts believe that this case isn't just about the crimes Diddy allegedly committed. It's about the entire ecosystem of power in Hollywood and the music industry. Could this trial expose not just Diddy, but a network of powerful individuals who have used their influence to perpetuate a culture of abuse, silence, and complicity? What if Diddy was just one part of a much bigger system? Could the A-list celebrities named in this case be pawns in a game that goes far beyond the entertainment industry? As the trial progresses, this theory is gaining traction, and many are beginning to wonder whether this case will end up changing the industry forever. The trial of Sean Diddy Combs is far from over, and with every revelation, it becomes clearer. This case could expose shocking truths about the underbelly of fame and fortune. Who's telling the truth? Who's been hiding in plain sight? What's going to happen next? And will Diddy's empire survive this storm? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for updates on this explosive trial. If you're shocked by what's been revealed, comment below with your thoughts.